Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So I put out a little while ago if you all wanted me to go and show you some of the things that they're putting out for the upcoming spring gardening season at not the Dollar Tree anymore, or not the Dollar Tree where I'm at, but the $1.25 store. Can we call it like a $1.25 Dollar Tree? The $1.25 store, because I always tell people that gardening can be as expensive or as reasonable as you make it. So you all say you wanted to see, but this is where the twists come in. So I am in Florida today. I'm down here because you may hear the music in the back. My husband is like a big, they call them bass heads, and like the old school car show. So I've already did my rounds. So I told him I was going to sit here and just, kind of read and look at some things. Every time I go on the road, y'all, I pack so much. I pack snacks, I pack books, I pack my iPad. I always have something to do so that I'm never bored. So that's what I was doing. But while I'm down here, I'm going to get him to take me by one of the $1.25 stores. We're down by Daytona Beach, so I'm going to get him to take me by one of those stores so I can see what they have that may be different than the one by where I'm at. But I'll still do a little bit of footage of the $1.25 tree. It's so hard to say like Dollar Tree versus $1.25 tree. So I'll also do some footage on one of the ones that are closer to me. So let's go ahead and let's get started. He's on his way here, but yeah, I went round. It's great. It's really great, like if you're into that stuff, but one time around is great for me. So let's go ahead and let's get started.
Perfect.
So as I continue to visit the different Dollar Trees, I notice that they have similar things, but each one has something unique that I don't see at the other one. So for example, I was able to find this only at one so far, natural and organic expanding soil. And this is totally new. I have not seen it before, but this is what I want to tell y'all. Like, this is just one aisle, and this is how a lot of the stores have been looking. So they're getting ready for spring, putting different things out. So they may just have it at the other one. So it's all kind of things. It just depends on your taste, on your style, what you like as far as gardening is concerned. They have the flower fertilizers. They have all different type of tools. And like I said before, gardening can be as expensive or as reasonable as you make it. Now, y'all, I almost picked this up, but I was like, put it down and don't touch it. But again, there's all type of different garden decors, just depending on what you like and what you want to see in your particular garden. So only 2 of the Dollar Trees so far have put out their seeds. And if you're going to get them, this is not just for the Dollar Tree. This is for all of the garden centers and stores. I like to get them when they first put them out, because you see them like this now, but when you go back in a few weeks, it'd be all over the place. And that just stuff be here, over there, on the side, and that I can't take. I just have to walk away. Again, they have different potting soils for you, different tools, different garden decors, and these are something new that I haven't seen, are these tools. right here. So I haven't seen those lately. So that is something new. They're trying to get ready for Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, gardening. But y'all, I messed up. I said, don't go in these people's store picking up nothing. You just gonna show everybody what they got. I did. I got some of these pots right here. I thought they were super cute. And what I could imagine in my mind was herbs. So they have so many pots, and I'm starting to see a lot of more watering cans at the Dollar Tree, but there's so many things that you can choose from. It should be no reason why you say you can't start a garden. At all. You do have to develop a budget, because oftentimes as they continue to put things out, me personally, I continue to pick things up that I probably don't need, but I just pick it up because I'm just super excited for the gardening season. But they literally, based on your budget, have everything that you could possibly need in order to start to grow a garden. Like, y'all, it's absolutely no excuse. Now, these signs are new this year. Meet me at the garden gate. They had like 3 different signs that you can choose if you like to incorporate different garden decor in your garden. So you could just pick something up that is, you know, to your taste, that you like. But they have garden decor. I'm telling y'all, let me tell you, just let your imagination be your guide with this. You can do so much when it comes to gardening, and especially if you're on a budget. So these are just a few things that they're starting to put out. I'll keep you updated if I see something like new or something that I haven't seen before. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.